Meow. I just love this pose with those paws outstretched in front. So I'm just kind of mapping Kitty in here. I see now when I'm watching myself do it and doing this voiceover that I would have gotten the ears a little more flattened out or a little lower down. But that's okay. It's all a learning experience. Just getting those shapes in. And getting my lines in lightly to start with, so I can make changes if I want to. And they won't stand out too much, and the extra lines just end up being some background tone. I'll start strengthening up some of the lines that I like here now. And I do have this sped up to 1.5 times the speed here. It's finding my way for the eyes. So when I start to tighten up a little more, so I can get the eyes in the right spot, ears in the right spot. Just thinking carefully about each line at this stage. If you're passionate about drawing cats, we'd love to have you in our cat drawing art workshop Facebook group. You'll find the link to that group and some other handy cat drawing links in the video description below. So I hope you check them out. Just get those paws looking right in the right spot and with some character, so they're not exactly the same each. Just feeling my way around. I guess that could look like the eyes that I just drew, but that's actually the top of the arms. So now I'm getting the eyes in. Feel out for where that cute little nose would be. It's not standing out a whole lot, so I'm just giving a hint of a nose. And I've sped it up a bit here, more here now to 2 times the speed. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscriptions are what make this channel purr. So hit that subscribe, hit the little bell. We'd be happy to have you help build the community. Some tabby markings in there help shape the face a little and add a bit of character. That sleepy look. And now we'll speed it up to 4 times the speed, and I'm just kind of, drawing things that'll help make it pop a little. Tabby stripes really help shape the face a little. Suggestion of hair in the ears. Thank you so much for watching today. There's lots more to come. So check out our Facebook group, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the video description. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.